I just recalled it in the middle of the route. I'm seeing how well it goes back to the charger. I've been moving stuff around, so it probably thought it couldn't get through there. That is not where the charger is, so it's confused. I didn't move the charger. I just messed with this route to get there. Holy shit, is it gonna figure it out? Interesting. It's actually gonna figure it out. So I wonder how I made that mistake the first time. Shit, it worked. Huh. That's cool. I don't know why it made the mistake in the first place, but it got home.